This series is called Lock Apps. Show all your favorite apps on the lock screen. Supports iOS 14 and up, iPhone, iPad, and iPhone, iPad. A normal Wi-Fi icon and shows the Wi-Fi glyph in the status bar instead of the Wi-Fi glyph when using an iPhone. A Wi-Fi hotspot. This series is called Zero. Supports iOS 8 to 14. I'm sorry guys, I don't know what this says. Actually, let's have a tweak installed. You guys have a tweak called Translate. You can actually just see what it is. UU Plus, best tweak for the YouTube. YouTube app supports iOS 13 and 14. And yeah, so it's a jailbreak version of UU Plus by Q and Black Hat, compared with YouTube iOS 13 or later. So for iOS 13 users, you want to add this repo and forcing pictures required. So test on YouTube version 17.16.4. So yeah, gives you these features: UU, UPIP, UD, UT, UHC, YT classic video quality, YT no hover cards, YT system appearance. You see what each one does. YT no check local network, even number caption, return YouTube dislike, and iSponsor block, and YT speed. Next series called Dual Clock 2 time zones system wide. So pretty honey. It's for iOS 14 and up. If you have someone who lives in a different area or outside the US where the time zone is different, or they have Eastern, Western, or whatever, different time zone, or Central, whatever, then this is a great tweak to have so you can keep track of their time and your time. Alright, and last but not least, actually one more tweak after this. We have N95 theme pack, official theme pack for N95 tweets. Only powered with iOS 13 and 14. And last but not least, we have a tweak called A Shields. You set Face ID or Touch ID manually in the A Shield settings. Pretty cool. It helps protect your device, allows you to lock the connectivity modules in the control center, or lock your apps. And if you forget to restrict Wi-Fi, you can turn off the protection. So yeah, pretty cool. Just kind of like BioProtect. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And yeah, peace out.